Seller Central is where you will manage a majority of your day-to-day operations when selling on Amazon, and a place to find resources to learn and grow as a seller. In the top right corner, you can click the gear icon to access your account settings and information, or click the letter icon to view the buyer-seller messaging or inbox page where you will communicate with your buyers. In the left corner, you'll be able to access the Seller Central main menu, which will help you navigate to all the tools Seller Central has to offer. Every time you log in, your homepage will provide you with a snapshot of what is happening with your business. At the top of the homepage, you'll see your account health status. You can view a breakdown of your account health by clicking on the status. Underneath this, you'll see a section called Actions, which shows you any required actions you need to take, like managing orders, tracking shipments, and fixing issues. Clicking on the action will take you to the page where you can complete the task. The top section of your homepage provides you with an overview of key insights like sales, payments, and seller feedback. You can expand each card for more information and access related tools and dashboards. You'll be able to see recommendations on your homepage, which are tailored to you as a seller and will change throughout your selling journey. You can also access resources like Seller Forums, which provides information and advice from other selling partners and Amazon experts, and News, which helps you stay informed through key updates and announcements. If you are new to selling on Amazon, we encourage you to explore the homepage and main menu before getting started. Seller University videos will also provide you with relevant navigation instructions as you continue to learn.